Let S3 be the group of permutation of three distinct symbols. The direct sum of S3 with S3 has an element of order. It means we have to find an element of possible order which is given to us. So a useful theorem will help you to find the element of order or possible order. Order of an element in direct sum. And this theorem is the order of an element in finite direct sum of groups is LCM of component of element component LCM of order of order of order of or orders of the components of the element. Here S3 direct sum with S3 element is look like G1 comma G2 G1 comma G2. It means this one. So it's and G1 G2 is coming from S3. So order of G1 comma G2 will equal to LCM of order of G1 and order of G2. It means order of components, LCM of order of components. So we need to find possible order of S3 direct sum with S3. We know possible order, only possible order orders of elements in S3 are 1, 2, 3. So LCM, normally I use this for LCM, and for GCD or HCF I use this round bracket for HCF and square bracket for LCM. So possible LCM are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 3. Here you can check LCM of 1, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 2 is 2, 1, 3 is 3, 2, 6 and 3. It means possible only 1, 2, 3 and 6 are only possible order of an element in S3 direct sum with S3. So which one option is giving 6? Option B is right here.